have to clean this tooth until it shines like a sparkly, gleamy star.
Oh, that little tooth is starting to look much cleaner.
Ooh. And now for the final rinse. I dropped it down the drain.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
Oh, no. If Twinkle doesn't have a tooth, the tooth fairy won't visit. What should we do?
I don't know.
But, Twinkle, you always come up with some kind of answer.
I'm so upset I can't think of anything.
Well, maybe we can help.
Maybe there are water whales who live under the house who shoot water up through the pipes. Yeah, and then when somebody drops something down the drain, it falls way down a windy water slide. Whee!
And lands on Dwayne's head.
Who's Dwayne?
Dwayne the Drain Wizard.
Dwayne rings the golden bell and alerts the water whale to spout up water into the wishing fountain.
The fountain then springs water up through the drain and pushes Twinkle's tooth back up into the sink.
Oh.
Well, fellas, that's quite an interesting idea. But I've been under the house a few times, and there were no whales living there.
Ah, pickles.
Now what are we gonna do?
If there's no water whales, how am I ever going to get my tooth out of the drain?
Maybe we need the help of someone special. Someone special, who could it be?
This job's too big for you and me.
We need some help.
But never fear-o.
It looks like a job for a Higglytown hero. A Higglytown hero.
I'm a Higglytown hero, brave and true. I help the town with the things I do. So work real hard and you will see that you can be a hero, just like me. A hero, just like me. I'm your handy plumber, true and trained. I handle faucets, sinks and drains. If you lost something down the sink, I can find it in a wink. If you've got a rusty faucet, I can take it out and toss it. Fix up sinks, all kinds and types, so water comes right through your pipe.
Can you unclog a drain from a bathtub in Spain?
Can you fix a drip in a pirate ship?
A pirate strip or a drain in Spain, I'll fix them all up right as rain. I can make pipes fit together and make water flow in the coldest weather. I'm a Higglytown hero, bold and good. I help my friends just like I should.
So work real hard, that's what we'll do, so we can be a hero, just like you. A hero just like you.
Sounds like a lost tooth to me.
Hooray! Thanks. I thought I'd never see my tooth again. You're a real Higglytown hero.
Just doing my job, kids. And when you're extra careful to keep things from dropping down the drain, you'll help keep the water flowing. That way, you can be heroes too.
Yeah!